We are STL. We have designed and developed a smart trigger lock to ensure the safety and well-being of its users, their loved ones, and those around them. Guns are not toys and need to be secured safely to prevent any potential fatal accident or misuse. This is where the smart trigger lock comes into play. The smart trigger lock is a smart padlock that can be attached to Glock model handguns. The padlock system seeks to provide high security and protection in the use of firearms thanks to the sophisticated system of fingerprint recognition provided by the CMOS capacitive fingerprint sensor. This scanner has incomparable recognition capacity, as it is able to recognize your fingerprint regardless of fingerprint placement, and provides rapid detection as it internally reads and compares the fingerprints already stored in the smart trigger lock. Internal storage allows up to 10 fingerprints to be registered and stored, the primary fingerprint being the administrators and the remaining 9 being the additional users. The smart trigger lock's external build material and design of zinc alignment have allowed for superior durability, ensuring the protection of the fingerprint reading system in its interior, whilst also securing protection against the entry of dust or water, with these two elements being the main factors responsible for the wear of the fingerprint reader.